Hi, in this video, we're going to cover why you should start an ebook business. There are many benefits of starting a business around selling ebooks. First and foremost, the cost of starting an ebook business is very low. It practically doesn't cost anything at all other than your time and money if you're planning to outsource your ebook in the future. Since an ebook is basically an electronic book, all that really needs to happen is for you to write the ebook and then convert it into a format that's in digital form. So your customers or your readers in the end get a digital downloadable product that they can read on their computer, laptop, on their tablet or mobile device. Next, when you start an ebook business, it is quite profitable. Since it doesn't cost much to start an ebook business, your only costs are basically things like web hosting, your domain name, shopping cart systems, and fees related to your payment processing system. So therefore, your profit margin is very high. There's no stock or inventory required since everything is electronic and digital, and you can sell unlimited copies of your ebook. Next, getting started is very easy. To get started in your ebook business, really all you need to do is start typing on your document, and you can write things around your expertise, hobbies, or passions. If you're not a writer, you can always outsource the writing. So there's always a way around it, and you don't need much technical skills to get started, really. Next, an ebook business is scalable. Scalable in a way where you can create it online and then create sales funnels. So once they purchase your ebook, they can buy other relevant products in your sales funnel. You could cross-sell and sell a product that's related to your ebook. You could sell something as an upsell, such as a coaching program or a home study course, or even a membership website that's related to the topic of your ebook. It's easy to grow as you also will create a customer base or a customer list, and you can always follow up on your customers anytime you want. Therefore, when you create an ebook, it's not just selling it once. You're making money also on your back-end products. And speaking of making money, once you create your ebook, it's all passive really. All you need to do is just add some traffic and start marketing your product, and that's all there is to it. You don't need to keep creating ebooks. Just promote that one ebook that you've created, and that can be your business. Lastly, since this is a business, you also want to have fun and enjoy what you're doing. Creating ebooks is a fun way and easy way to get started making money online. And the process of creating and writing an ebook doesn't have to all be done by you. These days, you've got the internet. You can outsource, delegate, and get other people to do all those tasks for you if you wanted to.